How to create Devin AI account. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into this tutorial. First and foremost, open up a browser that you prefer in your device and search for Devin AI. In here, you need to go ahead and select on the first option suggested to you. Then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. You can ask code-related problems to your Devin and it will provide you with a solution. To create an account, just tap on Request Access. Now in here, enter the email address that you want to link with a Devin account. Enter a region where you want to use your Devin for. Now if you have any account for your LinkedIn, X or YouTube, you can write it in this dialog box. Once you are done, just tap on Request Access. If you already have an access and you need to log in, just tap on Log in here. You'll be able to sign in using a GitHub, Google, or just manually type in your email address. And that's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found this informative and helpful to you.